Once the star of Arabian Nights, the magic carpet lost its magic and became just an ordinary rug. It sometimes dreamed, "If only I could fly again." The owner wanted to make its dream come true, so she called up a breeze, like magic.
Hi, Bixby. Turn on the air conditioner.
It's because of you. Even if this is just you, I'm fighting if you're with me.
Like all magic, the flight didn't last forever. Once the perfect temperature was reached, the wind gently shifted to wind-free mode.
Had fun.
But that night, the carpet's dream was more beautiful than any Arabian Nights tale. A magical dream made real by Bespoke AI WindFree Pro. Enabling better living. Bespoke AI